Presenting the work of Group 4 from 9th class. Tradition has in the bag of South Sulawesi. We give thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, parents, family, friends, Benteng Sumbawa Location Manager, and especially our teacher who give us this assignment, Mr. Priyanto.
Hi, my name is Alifa Refa Mufti. My serial number is 18. I'm the leader of this group. This is our members.
Hi, my name is Adila Citra Sulis. My serial number is 16.
Hi, my name is Ulianur. My serial number 29.
Hey, my name is Armand. My serial number is 6.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arsaputra. My serial number is 10.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we're gonna do an assignment about procedure text. Procedure text is a piece of text that gives us an instruction for doing something.
The risk purpose of procedure text is to show how something is done through sequence of steps which enable the reader to achieve the goal.
The kind of food the which is for this procedure text is traditional food from South Sulawesi, and it called as onde-onde.
And we choose traditional dream of Bugis Makassar, which in the legendary drink called Saraba.
Filter, sieve, plate, saucepan, and stove. Materials needed are 250 grams rice flour, 100 grams brown sugar, 200 grams coconut, 200 milliliter warm water, and 1 spoon tea pandan coloring. Step to make food, which is onde-onde. First of all, put the rice flour in the container.
Worms of the rice flour preventing illness from coming and have 2 mg calcium and 9 mg potassium.
Add 1 teaspoonful of pandan.
Pandan could be substitute for food coloring. Pandan is natural body safe.
Add 200 ml water. Pour in the warm water little by little. Mix the dough. Take a little bit of dough and flat it and fill it with brown sugar.
As we know, brown sugar full of antioxidant is it contains 4 milligrams of iron and vitamin A.
Boil a liter of water and put around paste in it. Drain it when it floats. Sprinkle it on a shaved coconut.
Coconut full of nutrition because have 77 calories.
And the last step, serve it on a plate.
okay?
Yes, I feel chill.
Eva, let's make our drink for Lydia. Come on. Tools needed for saraba. First, we need saucepan, stove, ladle, filter, and glass. Materials needed for saraba are brown sugar, ginger, and coconut milk. Step to make saraba drink. Cook up coconut milk in the saucepan. Coconut milk good for heart healthy and containing 1.4 grams protein. And then put the brown sugar and ginger.
Brown sugar could have clean the blood and have vitamin B12.
Ginger can cure nausea. It contains iron and vitamin C.
Filter on a glass.
What drink is this?
This is saraba.
Saraba is good for suffering body.
Saraba does have a lot of good stuff in the body.
Yeah, like nutrition and minerals are good for durability. Excuse me for starts.
I'm sorry guys, I'm hungry.
Conclusion. In this prosthetic text, you can know the traditional meals of Makassar is onde-onde.
This food is a sacred dish in the South Sulawesi area.
Not only served in the tradition of having nyobai, but also for other sacred occasions.
You can identify the nutritional value in the benefits or food.
It includes the serak padri, which is a typical of Makassar.
That's all the procedure text of our groups. More and less, please be forgiven. May it be useful and thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.